Before starting what HTML means and does, let's talk about its advantages and disadvantages. The advantages is that it is supported by all browsers and is used for building websites, and can be integrated with other languages like CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, etc. It has been even boosting professional careers since HTML helps in developing fundamentals about web programming. So let's look at the problems or disadvantages that people have been facing while using HTML. Since HTML is used for creating static web page, many other programming language has to be used for dynamic motion or purposes. Even for a simple web page, a large amount of code has to be written, and for making a website, a large amount of simple web page has to be created, which is time consuming. And also security features of HTML isn't good. So these are some of the advantages and disadvantages you should know. Now let's start what HTML means. So basically, HTML is a markup language which uses tags to design a simple web pages using markup tags, used as building blocks of the web. It was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991, which was given a name HTML 1.0, but the first standard version of HTML was HTML 2.0, published in 1995. And the latest version we are using is HTML5. From the full form of HTML, we know that hypertext means the link between the web pages and markup language that defines text document within tags, also taken as structure for web pages. Since HTML is very easy, beginner-friendly, and one of the most popular and widely used markup language for creating static pages. Therefore, it is used to manipulate images, texts, and other content to display in a required format. People often get confused which IDE or IDLE or text editor they should use to write a HTML code. So here are some best text editors that people have been using for simplicity, like Sublime Text, Atom.io, Visual Studio Code, brackets, Notepad++ for Windows, TextMate for Mac. Now let's see which browsers are the best for viewing the output of HTML. Since many people believe Google Chrome is the best web browser for viewing the output, and Internet Explorer as the least. There are even some other web browsers you can use. There are Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Safari for Mac, Edge for Windows, and many more. So wait, these are not the only things you should know about HTML. There is even a thing called HTML element and HTML extension, so that you can save the HTML in a HTML format. So without the further ado, let's talk about HTML element, which is very much important for starting any HTML program that starts with the starting tag with some content in it and ends with a closing tag. And the extension used for saving HTML file is .html. So these are the basic things you should know before starting HTML. Thank you for watching our video and hope you liked our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our any videos.